everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie. For those of you who just came in, I do makeup and personal style videos here on YouTube. If you reach the end of this video and you love the content, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm actually so excited because we are going to do a review today. If you've already seen the title, of course, you already know that this is what we are going to test out today. This is the BLK Cosmetics Radiant Glow Filter. Yeah, I'm so excited! Okay, disclaimer! Nagamit ko na to guys kasi this is not a first impressions video kasi nagamit ko na siya. But let me just tell you my first impressions of this. The very first time that this came out, I tested it out sa Watsons. Chinek ko lang like how it is on my hand. And I thought, oh, it's another complexion product. So sabi ko, I don't think I need any more because ang dami ko ng foundation. Parang sobra na kapag bumili ako nito. And they were saying that it can work like a filter, or it's not really a foundation. It can work as a filter on top of your foundation to make you a bit glowy. Kaso sabi ko, it's just too much stuff to put on your face and then to top it off with this. Kaya I did not give it another thought until it was my birthday actually a few weeks ago, and my friend and I were out on like a girl day. Like we had our hair done, our nails done, and we were going around the mall and saw the BLK Cosmetics shop. And I thought, sige na nga, I have been so curious and I haven't really done any review videos lately, kaya pinagbigyan ko to. Ang sabi sa BLK, it's primer, foundation, concealer, and then this one. Okay, I don't want to do that kasi ang daming patong and I really just want to look dewy, flawless, and we're going to see if this can work on its own or just with concealer and primer on. And then, after that, we are going to test it out until the afternoon if okay pa siya. Okay pa yung itsura niya sa skin ko kung magtatagal ko siyang gagamitin. Or baka mamayang hapon pag na-check na natin yung ating skin kung maghuhulas na ba siya at kung kaya niya talaga na yun lang. Or baka kailangan nga talaga ng ibang products for this to be able to work out. So, if you want to see me transform from this to this, please stay tuned and watch this video. So I've already applied moisturizer, toner, and my primer. Now we are going to apply concealer. So yun ang mga pagsasamahin natin today. Concealer, this Radiant Glow Filter, and powder lang today. And let's see kung ano talagang magiging experience natin with this. And of course, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25. So ito na yung parang pinaka-complexion product natin. Hindi natin talaga totodohin. And then I am really going to use something matte, which is this one, para makita talaga natin. So guys, I hope you don't get distracted. I have a new mark on my face. I had something removed. The thread is actually still there. So if it pokes out or is seen, please just ignore because I don't want to put a band-aid on my face just to cover it up. So I'll see if the concealer will really like hide it. And I am super gentle. The thread will peek through later. Just a fair warning, baka lang ma-shock kayo. Na, uy, ano yung blue na yun? And now, I am going to dab using my foundation brush. This one na lang. Normally, I would put SPF before, but since we're just gonna be indoors, ito na lang. Because I think itong Fit Me, meron yata tong SPF 15. Meron ba? Baka wala. But anyway, yes, on a regular basis, and if I'm really gonna go out of the house, magtatagal ako sa araw, I will need SPF. And then, I have to be super gentle with this so that hindi na lumabas yung thread. Oh, nag-work ka. Wow, galing naman ni concealer. Hindi na nakikita to. Ayan. But okay, so concealer is now all over my face. And what I like about this concealer is that it's really enough. It really looks super radiant on my skin, or it looks very natural on my skin, lalo na kapag nag-set na siya. Now we are going to apply the BLK Radiant Glow Filter. Review muna on the bottle. The bottle is so familiar. Why? Because it is the same as the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. So if you see that, that's the e.l.f. one. So it really looks the same as the e.l.f. bottle. And then the applicator is a very chubby type of a doe foot one, which I still don't know because I really have not used anything with this kind of applicator on foundation or any kind. But so far, I kind of like it pag nilalagay sa skin. So let's start. So dito muna ako maglalagay how I would concealer. There's that tendency that you just want to like apply everything out, no? But let's try not to. You would imagine it's a bit luxurious, the feeling of this, ha? Because parang this is 549 pesos. Well, it's kind of mura na rin, pero the feel of it, like on your skin, doesn't feel cheap. It it feels really nice on the skin, and sakto naman din na naging hiyang ako kasi kung sakaling hindi, sayang, 'di ba? And I'm applying it like a foundation because that's sort of like the whole point of this, is because I really want it minimal. I don't want like super a lot. But I don't know if I'm applying it right. If I'm really supposed to put all over my face or just some parts of my skin. Bahala na. But I love how nice the finish of this. Right now, I really look super glowy. I would normally use a different brush, but I can't seem to find that brush right now. So I'm gonna do my paddle brush right now just to pat it. So, how does it feel on the skin? Ito yung actually isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa kanya. It's very moisturized. Yun yung pakiramdam niya. But, it's not grease. You understand? It's a really nice feeling on the skin that it's not super like, hindi parang if you pat it with a wipe na parang sasama yung grease. Hindi siya ganon, which I like so much. So far, it is already so glowy. If you noticed, oh my gosh, I hope the camera will be kind on my face. Nakabahan ako, ah. But the feeling, I guarantee it's so nice on the skin. Hindi siya itchy on me. It's very rare to find a local brand na ang complexion hindi makati sa face. Kasi yun yung nagiging, at least for me, sensitive skin, nagiging problem ko talaga pag makate, hindi workable yun. Sigurado na ako. Okay, now that I've applied this, I am going to let it set, and then I'm gonna apply my other makeup. We are going to do something like a daily makeup look lang. We are not gonna go super overboard on the makeup, just enough for a daily makeup look. So I'm already done with my eyes. I did it off cam. So now I decided to show you how to apply the contour with this one. So tingnan natin ano yung magiging epekto. Kung ito ba ay magpipick up ng product or matatanggal or something para malaman lang natin what's gonna happen. There were two things that got me going with this when I tested it in the counter sa BLK. When I applied their powder with it, nag-mattify siya. Yun yung nagandahan ako. Kaya parang sabi ko, okay, I'm a bit sold on this product because yun nga yung feeling of pwede siyang i-mattify. Hindi siya totally like it will look dewy on you, but you can use the powder to remove some shine, kumbaga. It's not like totally, it will adjust, kumbaga, how you really want it to look. Because I think that's the thing about glowy products for me. I don't want it in some areas of my face. Like, I don't want it to be super, sobrang glow that it's just all over the face. Do you get me? And now my favorite, the nose. And now I think I wanna apply like a nice cream blush also. Sige, todo na natin. Para makita talaga natin how it will perform. Kasi right now, so now we're gonna apply the Pillow Pop blush from Ever Bilena. So this is matte. Hindi siya glowy. I wanted to actually put the Milani Baked Blush pero baka todo na. Pero let's see later. Ba, ang galing talaga. Ang galing ng product na to. I love it. So I saw in an Instagram that for mature skin, for our 40 plus girls, which I am now 44, it's better to have your makeup really snatched going up than to droop it down para nakakabata ang look. And that's what I'm doing. I am applying my blush like to look snatched. Did I achieve it? Very demure, very mindful. I love that, by the way. So there is the liquid blush. Now, we will apply lipstick. Okay, wait. I want to show you another combination, lip combo that I've recently discovered. If you follow me on Instagram, you know how much I love my Ruby Woo lip liner. Like I don't think I've used any other in the last how many weeks that I've bought this. And I'm gonna use it with my Cherries in the Snow lipstick from Revlon. Okay, I did say I love Revlon so much, but I'm noticing their packaging for the matte ones, it picks up dirt so much. So, and I can't seem to do anything about it. I'll try to clean it later, but for now, let me just apply my liner. By the way, don't forget your gloss. And I'm using the Burt's Bees Glass and Glow Lip Balm. By the way, this is another product that does not pick up the color of your lipstick. So if you notice, I've been using red lipstick like non-stop. And yeah, this is me. This is like my nude. I can wear nothing on my face and just wear a red lip. That's just how I really love the look. All right, next is the Cherries in the Snow lipstick. Guys, this is actually a hot pink lippy. But it has hints of red. And when I did this in my lipstick combo video, sobrang gandang-ganda ako dun sa naging effect niya with the Ruby Woo lip liner. Became like a different shade altogether, and it's such a bright red pink shade. Kaya gandang-ganda ako dun sa naging combination nilang dalawa. So there. See dito sa camera, it looks really hot pink, but I'm gonna add a little bit more of the lip liner. So it becomes like an oomph of bright red and fuchsia. Right? Diba ang ganda? And now, I am going to put on powder. For this one, I will be using the matte. It's the Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's one of the really best powders I have so far. Maganda rin yung NARS, pero kasi may konting kaba ako sa NARS kasi parang feeling ko illuminating din siya. So, hindi tayo gagamit ng sobrang illuminating para lang makita natin talaga yung effect nito with powder. Alright? So, just a dab. So there's another inspiration behind this. Like I saw my cousin weeks ago and we had a reunion and she was in a really beautiful foundation. Shout out Hypet. She was using House Labs and the effect of her skin kasi we have the same skin texture. My mom and her mom, they look really the same with the features, and the skin is one of the features that we almost all have. Yung mga girls, yung mga Veloso girls are, we have this kind of texture. And she was wearing that Day House Labs foundation. And I thought, ang ganda sa kutis niya. Talagang, dun ako medyo nagbago. Sabi ko, pwede pala siguro nga sa skin namin yung illuminating na products. Di ba nga, in the past, iniiwasan ko yung anything that will illuminate kasi parang ina-accentuate niya masyado yung skin ko. But, when I saw her wearing an illuminating product, sabi ko, pwede pala. So, buti na lang nakita ko tong BLK kasi yun na rin yun. Kumbaga, I didn't want to buy any more foundation that will try to do the purpose of illuminate kasi nga, dami ko na eh. So, sakto lang that I saw this one. Okay. Now that we have powder on, so do I need like another blush? Kasi parang it's already doing the liquid blush is already doing its thing. But, let's add one more. This one, do I do a pink or this one? Kasi this is so perfect. The Milani blush is like a perfect blush. Like a perfect topper blush eh. And I want to see if it's gonna be like, this is like a glowy blush. Okay, let's not use this. Let's use the Juvia's Place blush. And I will be using the lightest pink, this one. Just a dab, because I know this is going to be like super lakas sa cheeks. Diyan na ba? Parang hindi ko makita. I am applying at the back of my hand para lang. Yeah, it's there a little bit. I'm scared suddenly. Okay, it's there. It's there. Wait, we have to trust the process. We have to let it set because I know Juvia's Place is like todo siya talaga. So we are gonna let the makeup set in a bit para lang makita natin talaga yung pinaka-final result niya. We'll be back. So this is the final look. What do you think? For a dewy product, for something that produces shine on your face, and which was not my actual favorite. This one's doing great. It's actually doing really great right now. And what I am liking so far is that when you apply powder, it will balance out where the shine should go. It feels that way or I could be wrong. Because I applied all over my face. Kaya parang nagmatify siya ngayon because of the powder. Now I am waiting until it really sets so that makita ko kung talagang magpipeek through yung glow. But so far, sige, let's go a bit far. Okay naman siya. And there is some shine because I'm not too near the lights. So you see a little bit. There is some shine peeking through. The powder will help. Yes, it will. But it will not totally like mattify your skin, which I like. I like it to be matte enough so that when I wear it outside, hindi ako parang feeling like, uy, huhulas na to any moment now. Pero you see the glow where it's meant to be seen, not like everywhere in the face. So again, ladies, this is the BLK Cosmetics Radiant Glow Filter. It can be worn without your foundation. Even if you just wear it by itself with just concealer. So far, if you're going to do this on like a daily makeup, it's going to work. It will work and it will not be super thick. What I mean is, you don't need a whole lot of makeup to put this on, and it will really do its work. Lately, I want that. I want the foundation, I want coverage, but not too thick that it's going to be difficult for me to work it, right? Parang, I want to reserve the foundation, the thick ones or the full coverage ones when I have to go to an event. But for every day, this will really work. Now, it's 11:55 in the morning and I'm gonna eat my lunch and do everything, work downstairs in the heat of our home, and we'll get back to you how it will look like later on. So I can't wait for the results of that. See you later, guys. So, I am back. It's already actually 2:42 in the afternoon. So, we had about roughly 2.5 hours with my makeup on. And what can I say? Okay, wait ha. Nag-retouch na ako on the lipstick. But the skin, wala pa akong ginagawa sa kanya. And, okay, sa camera, dito nakikita ko, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng effect niya. Talagang saktong glowy yung skin ko. Ang ganda ng projection niya in the camera. But sa mirror ko, I could really see the glow peeking through my skin. I actually love it. It's not bad. Okay, you guys know me. I'm a matte girl. Gusto ko talaga na matte palagi yung skin. But sometimes I appreciate really nice dewy skin. Siguro gumaganda yung skin natin because how I take care of it. I'm not really sure why, pero it looks nice today. Like the glow is really there. Now, mainit sa baba hindi malamig. Talagang humid. Tapos umuulan pa. So we will try to blot with tissue and let's find out if it's gonna have some transfer on the tissue, because definitely the powder will have some transfer. Do you see? Walang transfer. No transfer at all. This is nice. Okay, there is a bit. Okay, there's a little bit of transfer, but it's so minimal. Like, hindi mo talaga makita. It's good to note that you just need to dab. So yeah, let's keep going and see. Gosh, guys, ang ganda ng performance niya. Ang galing. So, yes, I don't even need to retouch, which is a surprise. Wow, normally I would. Wow, congratulations, BLK. It's a good one. And it still feels like it has coverage. Hindi pa nawala. Hindi pa nawala yung coverage niya. Okay, I failed to mention earlier. When I applied powder, the glow kind of died down. If you don't want to mattify it, you can go with just the filter. Wag mo nang lagyan ng powder if you have maybe dry skin and you don't need the powder, then yes, okay lang. For me kasi, I really like the powder. Like, it's important for me to have it because the oiliness, I really get oils easily. The good thing about this is that when I oiled up, hindi like sweat yung pangit na ang hirap i-describe ng makeup, ano. Minsan yun yung, hindi ko alam paano i-describe sa inyo, but the skin, sometimes, pag hindi ako nagre-retouch, talagang hulas. Like, alam mo yung pawis na talagang basa, and then yung makeup talagang hulas na. Ito hindi. Andyan pa rin. Na-lock in naman nung powder yung filter. Kahit na nag-apply tayo ng powder, nag-peek through yung filter, it creates like a nice glow on my skin. So, even if gusto natin ng matte, eventually nag-oil up yung ating skin, lumalabas naman yung glow. Which to me is a yay! I love it. Kaya ko to na-appreciate kasi, alam mo yun, parang it will create coverage. One, it will create that nice filtered glow on you. Two, ayan siya. And three, it will help even in mattifying if you really want a mattified skin. But I will try to check the videos, okay, and just post here. Remember, this is the before, and now this is the after. Even if you don't apply the powder, if you're one of those nakakayanin na walang pulbo, by all means, go ahead. Pero feeling ko, if hindi mainit sa baba, I won't need powder. I think, for me, let's say I'm in an air-conditioned place, buong araw ako mag-aircon, I will keep the filter as is. I will not apply any powder. Kung nasa aircon ako the whole day. It's really not to create a super like beaming face, but the filter. Kaya pala ang tawag sa kanya ay Radiant Glow Filter. Galing! Sige na, hindi na ako maglalagay ng powder. Palagay ko wag na kasi ang ganda na niya, oh. So what else can I say about this Radiant Glow Filter? filter, I say go ahead. If you are still thinking about it, this is your signal to just go and buy it kasi sulit siya. Let me just break it down to you. How will I wear this? I will wear this with powder on a regular basis. It can be a daily wear foundation slash filter if you just want something easy and light on the skin. By the way, it is so light on the skin. Hindi siya mabigat. When you can actually use this for any event. Kahit hatid sundo ka lang, from hatid sundo to reunion type to meetings whatsoever. Now, for functions or formal events, I would wear this with a foundation. But I will definitely wear it with a mattifying foundation like the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Like, pagsasamahin ko sila, titingnan ko kung ano ang magiging result nito. Please wait for that video. But definitely, I am looking forward to trying these two out. Because by the way, the effect of this foundation, you already know by now that every time I wear this, I always say the magic happens after a few hours. Really does look like you have a filter on with this after a few hours of wear. And the effect looks like this. Like right this very minute. Ito yung effect kapag tumagal to. Aha! May na-discover na naman tayo, guys. Kaya siguro titingnan ko talaga how they will work together kasi excited ako makita kung paano ang resulta nun. But right now, ito yung effect ng Estee Lauder kapag matagal mo na siyang suot. Nakakailang oras ka na. Gosh, you know what? I am having trouble ending this video because I am just so giddy about this product because I really cannot believe it. It is that good. For a local foundation, ang ganda nito. Thank you so much, BLK, for having this product here because so exciting. Aside from the fact na napakaganda niya at napakagaling ng kanyang performance, 549 pesos lang siya. Hindi siya mahal. So, ano pa hinihintay mo? Kumuha ka na. Sobrang sulit niya. And so that is it for today's video. I sure hope that you are now enlightened and siguro bibili na kayo nitong BLK Radiant Glow filter na ito. And if I was able to help you in a way to be convinced that this is a great product, please like this video and tap the subscribe button so that you can see more of my videos in the near future. And so, have a great day, guys. I sure hope to see you again on the next video. Goodbye!